All right. We back with another one. Actually, I got another 5 side gigs. It's not, gig economy driving jobs per se. Some of these do have apps that you can use to make money, but most of these, you just sign up through a website. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. I'm actually going to show you guys how to help out your community. You're going to make at least $1,500 a week helping out old elderly people, babysitting, dog walking. All of these are rolled in one. I got about, like I said, 4 or 5 sites that you can work for to give those opportunities to you to make that extra money in your side income, or you can do this full time and make a nice, pretty good living. All right. So what we're talking about? We're talking about being a caregiver for the elderly. Let's get into it. The first company we got is Papa.com. I'm going to leave a link to all these down in the description below. But Papa, you can be a Papa pal. Let's talk about it. So for Papa, you just put your phone number in. They send you a link to finish up the application process. But what it is, Papa Pal support members, companionship, housing. So basically, anything a elderly person may need, from just getting around the house, going shopping, getting to and from doctor's appointments, you will be their personal, I guess, kind of like butler, personal assistant to help them do everything they need. So doing great, never felt better. Like I said, you're doing good, doing great for your community, helping those elders in your community, and you get paid hourly. But really, how they break the payment down is, per visit. So every time you visit somebody, they pay you about $20. A visit can last, anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. So you kind of range your pay off of that. But they say on their website, majority of their Papa Pals make $1,500 a week. So I'm just going to go off what they say. Don't really have a lot of testimonials about that on them, but they have been around a couple of years. They have, some national write-ups and some newspapers. So they're a very legit company. They pay out. So you don't have to worry about, not getting paid. And you get paid in 2 business days. Show up. Apps tracks your travel, and you get mileage. So if you do go more than 10 miles to a visit, they pay you 40 cents a mile over that 10 miles. So you don't get paid for the first 10 miles, but any mileage after that. And then, like I said, if you got to drive them around somewhere, then you get mileage for that part. And like I said, it's 40 cents a mile, and easy to get started. Provide your driver license. I'm pretty sure they're going to do a background check, just because you're working, with closely going to people's homes, things of that nature. And then, have your bank account attached so they can pay you. They do have an app, so you can download the app. That's how I had to finish up the rest of the sign up process. I haven't got rolling, but I did sign up just to see, get some details. And, I might just, add this as a service for people. There's a lot of elders in my community, especially around my office. So if I can give them a ride to the hospital or something like that, it's definitely something I'll be interested in doing. Probably not going to sit around and spend the day with them, but I could definitely, take them here from work. And then, like I said, you browse and book. You can see which, jobs you want to take, show up. And this one said track, reimburse your commute. This one says 28 cents a mile round trip. And get paid hourly rate plus the weekly bonus every 2 business days. All right. Community standards and force. What kind of documents you would need? It's ID, passport, your stuff for direct deposit. You get paid hourly rates for visit. You get the base pay. That's the base pay, like $20 in most areas. And then you get paid 2 days, 2 business days after. So if you work on a Monday, you'll get paid. When you work on a Sunday, you get paid 2 days after, 2 business days after that. So it'll be like Tuesday or something like that. And like I said, earn while doing good. So that's Papa Pals. And then, like I said, here's some more information about it. What actually Papa is, like I said, got health plans, employers. So if you got a elder person that's out of state, you can't, get to, and you might need some help for them. You might want to sign them up for Papa and get them some help. So that's how that works. And then this is why I found the compensation, some more compensation details about this company, but it looks like they weren't up to date. You got to be 18 for, four-door vehicle for the driving process. This site, gigworker.com, is where I found out a lot of information about some gig jobs. So you might want to add this to your list of places or websites to find business. All right. So next we got care.com. This is the second one of four I'm going to talk about today. So with care.com, you can just come in here. You can apply as an individual or apply as your business. You're going to boss up, create a nanny company, a babysitting company, a caregiver company, a non-medical emergency transfer company. And then you can, like I said, become a nanny, be a special needs provider. You have a vehicle, a wheelchair, access. People can easily get on and out. Being disabled, that'd be a great resource for them. Great way to get paid. Private lesson instructor, senior care provider, pet care provider, housekeeper. So, if you got your cleaning business, you can sign up with this and get work. So people will come in, and this is more of like a marketplace, but people will come in and hire you and hire your company and book you for jobs they need. So sign up care.com. And then, like I said, if you need somebody to hire, you can hire a caregiver, hire whatever in your area like this. And like I said, they are in majority of states, care.com. Go check them out. Link down in the description. Next is Duos partnership. And it is, now there it is. Duos partnership make a big difference with us, man. So everybody's making a difference. Everybody's, doing the same thing with these four companies, driving, doing groceries, being a caregiver, being a personal assistant for somebody that's aging. They got a video pretty much breaking down, the numbers of elderly people that are increasing in this country as people live longer, as population increases, more people move to America, more elderly people are going to be abundant, and they need people to take care of them. So you just come down here, partner up with them, and you can be a duo partner and get paid, for helping them. Let's see. Like I said, I did not see any paid information about this, but find, activate. We work with our partner to identify older caregivers who are in need, then enroll them through the direct marketing and referrals. So once you become a partner, you would be tasked to actually building up their business, going out, finding elderly who may need partners, and then you can partner up with them. And then we build a comprehensive to-do list based on our partners' data and needs that the older caregivers identify. So as you're going out talking to older people, signing them up, you'll sign up what they need, and then you'll coordinate and ensure that the older adults' needs are met through the local community resources and benefits our partners provide. So you'll be providing them benefits and resources like, taking them places and doing things like that. But like I said, I don't see too much of how they get paid. So you see some of the stats about the elderly. They want to stay at home. They don't want to go to senior citizen centers and old folk homes. They want to sit at their home they built and been at their whole life. So they just want somebody to come in and do it from time to time. So go ahead, partner with. If you guys do find out extra information about any of these companies, I am willing to pay you if you can provide me video proof of you working or doing some of these gigs, any gig for that matter, on my channel. I'm going to give you guys $50 in the form of a cash payment or a gift card or something. But if you can send me a video, you can send to my email down in the description, or you can hit me up on @CreditK on Instagram or TikTok. You can send me the video, anything like that. and I will pay you $50. And that goes for any gig that I covered on this channel, whether it's freight, whether it's Go Share, some of the newer ones, you ship. I covered anything you've done, any company I've covered. You got a contract with them, you've done a run, shoot me a video, and I will send you $50 for doing work, and you're gonna get paid double because I'm gonna send you a video for doing the work. All right. So that's a little gem for sticking around to the end of this video. But let's go ahead and knock out the last one. Neighbor Force, neighborforce.com, the strength of the community. Pretty much just like all the other ones. They have older aging population in their community, and they need people to take care of them. So they are in all 50 states and everything. But what you will become is a neighbor. Become a neighbor and earn flexible income, set your own schedule, stay connected in the community, and bring joy to seniors. So you can, like I said, you set your own schedule. You can book it many days out, whoever you want to help. You can work with them the same day if you get chosen. But here are some of the things I'm looking for to become a neighbor. Demonstrate passion, support. So you can't be a mean, can't be a jerk. You're working with older people. You got to be nice, compassionate. Think about good Chick-fil-A customer service. You got to bring to these people application interviews and references. So they want people that's pretty serious. A 4-year college degree. It's preferred, but not mandatory. That's kind of weird. Why they want you to have a 4-year degree just to help elderly people out? But that's just probably just to weed people out. You got to have your DMV, MVR check, background check. So it is kind of weed out people. Just anybody who just kind of get in and take advantage. Elderly people, they probably figure if you got a college degree, more trustworthy, or more experience in some things. But like I said, you're just helping elderly people out, doing whatever they need. And like I said, you're an independent contractor. So you are your own boss. Boss up, boss up, boss up, baby. So that's what it is. That is the 4 companies I'm going to bring you today. New side hustles, new way to make money. All you need is a vehicle, but some of them these you don't even need a vehicle. Just need to have a clean background, be 18 years or older, and you can start working, helping, and being a benefit to your community, making money at the same time with these 4 apps. Of course, link to all of them gonna be down in the description. And for sticking around to the end of the video, I want to invite you out to my Facebook group where we talk about all these side gigs, talk about all these side hustles, anything that help you level up out the 9-to-5 rat race. We're talking about it over there. The Boss Up with K Side Hustles group. So go ahead and kick that link. I'm gonna invite you in, and then we can talk about some things I can't, do in real time on these videos, and you can ask me more questions, things of that nature. This is a big community, so everybody's dropping gems. Everybody's, putting in new gigs and new things they found as well. All right. So go ahead and join that. Hit me up if you want a private consultation. I do private consultations, only $50. It's not a lot of money. You get a whole hour, talk about anything you need, driving, credit, how to purchase a business, a cargo van in your business, how to find different little side hustles like these I found. So we can talk about anything. So go ahead and hit that creditkay.com to book your consultation. All right, later. It's your boy K. We out.